Today we're going to talk about 15 ways that you can use ChatGPT either for your online business or to help you create some digital products. I have been using it for the past few months. I think it's awesome. I am just using the free version. I did a little bit of research on the free versus paid. I don't think you need to get the paid version just yet, so stick with the free one for now. I'm gonna show you what it can do. I have been using this because if you're like me, I struggle with my words and getting them out correctly. It has really helped me to organize my thoughts. So let's start with our first one. We are gonna create some content pillars. Give me 5 content pillars relating to business strategy. So we're gonna see what it comes up with. Always just double check things. You never know how accurate things are, and you wanna make sure that you're using your own voice, but I really love this to kind of help give me ideas and to get me started. All right, so the 5 content pillars relating to business strategy that it came up with are industry analysis, strategic planning, marketing and branding, financial management, leadership, and management. These are good. If I wanted to regenerate the response, it's gonna give me different ones, or I could also ask it to elaborate on strategic planning, and that way I'll have a better understanding of what it's talking about, or if I could change that content pillar into something else. All right, next we're gonna look at course module outline. If you're really excited to make an online course, having this help you with your modules and lessons can be really time-saving. So give me 6 modules for an online course relating to fitness. All right, so the 6 modules that it gave me are an introduction to fitness, nutrition and diet, cardiovascular exercise, strength training, flexibility and mobility, mental and emotional health. Love it. So then you can take this and actually break it down further. So you can even ask ChatGPT to break down the nutrition and diet. Now break down nutrition and diet into 5 lesson plans. So not only is it giving me the lesson plans, it's giving me bullet points for each of the lesson plans. And I would take this and kind of make it my own. I probably wouldn't use exactly what they were saying if I wasn't super knowledgeable in a certain topic, but this is amazing and it is so helpful when you're like me and your thoughts are just kind of all over the place. It really helps to narrow it down. Awesome. All right, let's look at a blog post. Give me a catchy blog post title for how to meal plan with a large family. So first we're going to work on our blog post title because that kind of sets the stage for the rest of our blog. So feeding a crowd, how to master meal planning for your large family. We could ask it to regenerate the response if we didn't exactly love it. Mastering meal planning, feeding a large family without breaking the bank. I really like that one, so I'm gonna tell it that I liked that one better, but we can go back and look at our other one as well. All right, so now give me 5 main points for my blog about that blog title. All right, so it's coming up with 5 main points for the blog post that's titled Mastering Meal Planning, Feeding a Large Family Without Breaking the Bank. So the first one is get organized, and then we have shop smart, cook in batches, plan ahead for leftovers, and get the whole family involved. Love all of those. Next, we're going to use ChatGPT to come up with course or module names. Give me 10 course names for a woman who wants to become an entrepreneur. All right, so now it's gonna give me 10 course names that could be suitable for a woman who wants to become an entrepreneur. I could take one of these and ask it to rephrase it. So let's pick a good one here. Give me 5 different names for women in entrepreneurship, breaking through barriers and overcoming obstacles. All right, so now it's gonna give me 5 different names for that one that we picked earlier. And then let's say I don't like the word trailblazing in number 1. I could ask it just to give me a different name for that specific word. So here's one that I did before. Give me different course names for mompreneur. And this is what it came up for me. So entrepreneurial motherhood, business-minded moms. I love that it kind of has like a name and then a little slogan with it too. And that is number 5, is it can come up with some catchy slogans. So let's say for this one, I don't love, let's see. All right, give me another slogan for empowering moms in business. So here it came up with fueling the future, empowering moms to ignite their business dreams. I actually really like that. All right, so the next one is coming up with your customer's buying persona. I told ChatGPT to come up with my customer's buying persona for a woman in her 30s who has 3 kids, loves to go shopping, loves to meal plan, and dislikes cleaning her house. So they gave my person the name of Sarah. She's 35. Full-time working mom with 3 kids under the age of 10. Income is middle class. She lives in the suburbs with easy access to shopping malls and grocery stores. Her goals are to provide healthy and delicious meals for her family while sticking to a budget, to keep up with the latest fashion trends and feel confident in her appearance, to spend quality time with her kids and create lasting memories. Challenges, it gives me 3 challenges, 4 values, and a marketing message. If you are just starting out with business and online products, digital products, this is amazing because this is exactly one of the first steps you need to do is create your ideal customer, and it just gave me exactly what I wanted. And then if I didn't like one of them, I could ask it to change it. So the next one now is coming up with that person's pain points, which is huge for the product that you're creating. So I said, give me 5 pain points based on my customer's persona above. So based on the customer persona provided, here are 5 possible pain points that the woman in her 30s with 3 kids may experience. Time constraints, limited budget, health concerns, overwhelming responsibilities, and a dislike for cleaning. And then I could ask it to come up with 5 other ones or 5 different ones or 1 or 2 different ones if I don't like some of the ones that it gave me. The next way that we can use ChatGPT is for attention grabbers in our intros. Whether it's a video, a blog post, a social media post, you're using a call to action. For this one, we're gonna use a intro for a YouTube video. All right, so I asked it to give me an attention-grabbing hook for a YouTube video intro on how to eat healthy and lose weight. All right, so here's what it gave me. Are you tired of crash diets and endless hours at the gym? Well, what if I told you that you can eat delicious, healthy food and still lose weight? That's right, in this video, I'm gonna show you the ultimate guide to eating healthy and shredding those unwanted pounds without sacrificing flavor or feeling deprived. Get ready to transform your health and your taste buds. That is so much better than I could come up with ever. My words would just get jumbled and not make sense, and this is amazing. Okay, the next way that you can use it is SEO-based titles for your YouTube videos or your blog post or social media. All right, so I asked it to give me an SEO-based title for my YouTube video about healthy eating. So it gave me 10 easy tips for healthy eating, your ultimate guide to a balanced and nourishing diet. And then I can ask it to give me a new response if I don't love that one, which I did think that one was great. I would probably just make sure on some keyword searches that those are actually SEO words. 10 simple and delicious tips for eating healthy and losing weight. I'm just gonna tell it was about the same. I think I like the first one better, but that's okay. The next way that you can use ChatGPT is your business motto or your transformation statement, and this is exactly what I did to come up with mine. So this is the transformation statement that ChatGPT helped me come up with. I did feed it some prompts like I help blank, and I told it that I wanted to really help moms that are unfulfilled, but it gave me like a really good statement. So my transformation statement for my business and the products that I want to create are, I help stay-at-home moms go from feeling unfulfilled to running their own thriving online business so that they can pursue their passions, generate a meaningful income from home, and contribute to their family's financial freedom. And then I also consolidated that to say empowering moms to build a thriving and successful side hustle. The next way that you can use ChatGPT is for your emails, which are a huge time saver. Emails are very time consuming to come up with. So I asked it to come up with a fun email for a woman trying to decide if she should become an entrepreneur. And it gave me a subject, which is take the leap or keep counting sheep, which I think is so cute. I told it to give me a fun email. You could say attention getting, you could say friendly email, you could say exciting email. You could really tell it what kind of voice you want your email to have. So then it says, hello there, are you tired of counting sheep at night? Blah, blah, blah. I would probably change some of this if I didn't love it or I didn't feel like it actually fit my brand, but it's definitely a very good start. You could ask it to give you a welcome sequence for your new subscribers on your email list. You could ask it to give you a sales copy for something that you're trying to sell. So many options with this. I love it. All right, let's look at the next one, podcast topics. All right, so 10 podcast topics on dogs. I could be specific if I wanted a certain type of dog or talking about a certain topic about dogs, but it gave me training and behavior, dog health and wellness, dog breeds, adventures with dogs. I love that one. I never would have thought of that. Rescue dogs, famous dogs, that's another good one. Therapy dogs, service dogs, dog sports, and dog related careers. This is a great start to coming up with some podcast ideas, and then you could even take each topic and further it down to subtopics as well. The next way you could use ChatGPT is for ideas on digital products to sell online. So I'm gonna ask it for 20 digital product ideas to make and sell online. So it's gonna give me things like ebooks, online courses, mobile app, digital artwork, stock photos or videos. And then I could also ask it to go further. I could ask it to give me 10 ebook topics that I could make and sell online if I was kind of stumped on where to start with that. Or I could even say, give me 10 ebook topics on how to become a mompreneur. Here is just an example I did. Give me course ideas to sell online as a mompreneur. So parenting 101, time management for busy moms, meal planning and healthy cooking, home organization, self-care, budgeting, fitness, and exercise for busy moms. So I could take that and instead of a course, I could make it be like a membership site where I sell a monthly membership for busy moms who want to fit in fitness into their daily routine. Homeschooling 101, a beginner's guide for moms, crafting and DIY project for moms. And then I asked it to give me more, and then it gave me 10 more. And then it gave me 10 more again. So many ideas. And I love that it doesn't just give you a simple sentence, it really goes into detail about what you can do. The next way that you can use ChatGPT is ask business questions. So one question that I asked it is, where can I put my website link on social media platforms? And then it told me, you can put it in your profile or bio, you can put it in post, you can put it in your story, you can put it in the comments, and you can put it in the about info section. So very detailed. I love that if you're kind of stumped on what you're thinking about, it can really help you figure it out. All right, the next way that you can use ChatGPT is when creating a digital product, you can ask it questions on what you should include in that product. So I am making a monthly meal planner. I'm gonna ask, what should I include in my online digital product monthly meal planner? So now it's generating its response. It says a calendar format, put in meal categories, put in your recipes, your shopping list, your dietary considerations, customization, visuals, tips, and advice. Love it. I could ask it to regenerate the response if I didn't love all these, or just pick a few that I didn't love and change them out. I hope this was so helpful for you in starting your own online business or creating your digital product. Have a blessed day, and I will see you back here soon.